Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 3, that is, the chapter name is More on Keyboard and Mouse. So all the students open chapter 3. The chapter name is More on Keyboard and Mouse. Okay students, here in the first paragraph you can see keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instruction into a computer. Dear students, as you all know, keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instruction to a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. These keys are used to type letters, words, numbers, punctuations, and any symbol on the monitor. You can also give command to a computer and play games using a keyboard. Okay students? Now you can see here is the info box. Sir Christopher Latham Souls invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. You must have to remember this, students. Sir Christopher Latham Souls invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. Now dear students, come on the topic, that is keys on a keyboard. Dear students, the first 6 letters of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. That is why a keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. The keys on a keyboard are used to perform different actions. Okay? First is alphabet keys. Dear students, there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. These keys are used to type letters, word and sentence on the computer monitor. Okay students, now come to the next page. After this, now I am going to discuss about number keys. Dear students, number keys include all the digits from 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number. These keys are used to enter numbers. Dear students, this is the number keys. You can see right side of the keyboard. There are 2 sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. One set is present right above the top row of the alphabet keys, and the other set of number keys is present on the right hand side of the keyboard. This group of number keys is known as numeric keypad. Dear students, in laptop, number keys are present only at one place, that is above the top row of alphabet keys. Okay, now here are the some special keys. Okay students, these are the some special keys like enter key, space bar key, shift key, control key, backspace key and delete key. Okay, so let us read what is the usage of these special keys. So first is enter key. So we will discuss about enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. This key is also used to send instruction and command to a computer. Okay students, enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line, and this key is also used to send instruction and command to a computer. Now the second special key is spacebar key. It is used to give a blank space between letters, words or numbers. It is the longest key on a keyboard. Dear students, space bar key is the longest key on a keyboard. Okay, it is used to give a blank space between letters, words or numbers. Now the third special key is shift key. Dear students, this key is always used in combination with other keys. It appears twice on a keyboard. The shift key is used to type alphabet in capital if caps lock is off, and type symbol and punctuation mark printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. Now the next special key is control key. Dear students, like shift key, control key is also used with other keys. It is used to give command to a computer. Okay, the next is backspace key. Dear students, backspace key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. And the next one is delete key. Dear students, to erase anything typed to the right of the cursor, okay, delete key is used to erase anything typed to the right of the cursor. Okay students, now come to the next page. The topic is toggle keys. Toggle keys is used to turn a function on and off. Pressing a toggle keys once activate the function, and pressing it again deactivate the function. The most common toggle keys on a keyboard are caps lock key and num lock key. Okay students, these two keys are toggle keys. First is caps lock key and second is num lock key. Dear students, caps lock key is used to type the selected letter in capital. Okay students, to use the caps lock key, press it once. Its indicator light turn on, which means that a caps lock key is ready to use. Okay, now the next is num lock key. Dear student, num lock key means numeric lock. To enter number using the numeric keypad, press the num lock key. Now the next topic is navigation keys. Navigation keys control the cursor movement. That is why these are also called cursor movement keys. Okay, dear students, navigation keys are arrow keys, home keys, page up and page down. These all are the navigation keys. Arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right on the screen. Home key. It moves the cursor to the beginning of a line. Pressing Ctrl plus Home move the cursor to the beginning of a page. And third is page up. Page up key move the cursor in upward direction from one page to the previous page. Okay, and the page down keys move the cursor in downward direction from the one page to the next page. Okay, home page, page up and page down keys are present above the arrow keys on the keyboard. These keys are also available on the numeric keypad. Okay students, now the next page I will explain in my next video, and thank you for watching my videos. Okay, bye bye students, have a good day.